Hi friends, welcome back to my channel EKD Ideas and Games. So today I'm going to make an DIY slime using paint. So I'm using green color, Fevicol, cornstarch or corn flour and a stick to mix with and a plate and oil. So first take these two ingredients as first step. Put in some glue. Since this glue bottle is empty, so I'm going to use my full strength to make this bottle come out all the glue. So you can use any color or you can use without, you can make this one without any color too. So I don't want plain white color slime, so I'm using this green color. So this one is coming just drop by drop. So I think this much is enough because my hands are paining by pressing this bottle. Now I'm using a little bit of white color and green color would give me a lighter greenish color like the color in the box cap. And mix this one up really quickly, and I don't feel like this is lighter, so I think this color is just okay. Now you need to pour little bit, 4 drops is enough oil, 4 drops of oil. Then mix this one up. I am using air oil. Mix this one pretty carefully. So you'll get an stretchy dough like this. So I think I can little bit add some color because this color is too light. So I expect a much darker and much lighter medium color. So I think this color is just okay, like a leaf color. Mix this one up really quickly. I think this much is enough. Add some cornstarch or corn flour or face powder. I am using cornstarch. So this slime is not made from borax or contact lens solution. So this is a glue slime without any borax or contact lens solution. So probably all of them will make slime using contact lens solution and borax if you are using. And also we also need like the contact lens solution like baking soda. Don't use baking powder. So I am using 2 pinches bit. So I think 2 pinches is just enough to make it slime. I think this much of cornstarch is enough to make my slime form. this is kinda sticky, so I'm going to add some more 2 pinches of baking soda so that that's not that sticky. Like when you little bit touch also, that should not be sticky, so that one should not stick. Slime probably do not stick but stretch. I think I added too much, so I need to pour in some painful glue. This is so hard to squeeze a bottle of glue. What the constant shot flying? I think this much is just enough. I think I poured in too much of glue. So this one is now as the first stage of how the slime was before adding extra cornstarch. So I'm adding little bit of green color. Adding some cornstarch. You can use corn flour also, not only cornstarch. So I'm going to add in another 1-2 drops of oil. And in the slime, oil is and cornstarch or the activator for this one. So I made a slime but little bit sticky. So only 1 pinch of baking soda is enough. Now this one is completely ready. The slime is completely ready, and this is so soft and so cold. I don't know why this one is chill and so fluffy, stretchy and so soft. You should definitely try this one. This one is really soft. To stretch this one. This is so soft. I will keep on playing with this one itself. So soft. You should definitely try this one. So this slime is made using color, glue, some oil, then cornstarch. So this one is definitely stretchy, so stretchy and soft. Can definitely play for a longer time. And the oil makes this one much softer. Definitely put another video of making the same slime because I like this slime and it's so soft. This is very soft. Very much soft, as I'm saying. And little bit only oily, so you need to keep on adding oil if the oil comes out, because oil is the main thing for this slime. So I'm going to mix this one using a stick. Oil is the main ingredient in this slime, otherwise you will get only a soft clay only. So if I keep on I should play for a long time. So if you like this DIY slime, give this video a like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my further new updates in my channel EKD Ideas and Dreams. And subscribe and even comment down below. This is so fun to play with. So fun and easy to make. And thanks for watching. Bye.